Can I help you? What? Are you trying to tell me something? I don't understand what you're doing. Am I forgetting something? Oh, I didn't put the softener. I didn't put the softener. I don't know why you're moving that, though. But you're right. The softener is much needed. I don't understand. I put the softener in. I don't understand what you're trying to tell me. You're trying to explain things to me like I'm an idiot. Something with the cat? You want me to get the cat? Rango! Rango? I don't know where he is. You're not going to let me do the laundry now? I don't know what you want me to do. Is there something... Oh my god. I almost just killed you. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Ethel, you are... I'm leaving the TV on for you tonight. I will put on any channel you want. Thank you. Oh my god.